Good morning, this is Jim Lohan, Operations Officer at the Florida State Watch Office, and this is the Florida State Watch Office Daily Situation Report
for January 20th, 2009.
The State Emergency Operations Center is currently at a Level 3 or monitoring status. Nuclear power reactors at Turkey Point, Port St. Lucie, Crystal River, and Farley are all operating at 100% capacity. All major airports and seaports are reporting no major issues at this time. And now for today's weather.
Thank you, Jim. A strong cold front that passed through north and central Florida overnight will move through South Florida this morning with a thin band of isolated showers exiting off the southeast Florida coast by the noon hour. In its wake, high pressure and strong northwest winds will usher in a cold and very dry Arctic air mass which will persist through Wednesday and could be the coldest of this winter season. Very dry air will settle across northern portions of the state today and then statewide Wednesday, creating favorable conditions for the ignition and rapid spread of wildfires. Red flag warnings are in effect this afternoon for the entire Florida Panhandle and Florida Peninsula north of I-4 due to expected long durations of critically low humidity combined with gusty winds. Red flag conditions appear likely Wednesday afternoon for the entire state, and fire weather watches with red flag warnings are in effect for the state excluding the Florida Keys. Despite mostly clear skies today, afternoon maximum temperatures will be about 5 to 15 degrees below normal values. Also, northwest winds of around 15 miles an hour, with gusts up to 30 miles an hour, will make it a few degrees colder, and lake wind advisories are in effect for much of North Florida and east central Florida through this evening. At the coast, strong northwest winds will result in a high risk of rip currents at west central and southwest Florida beaches today. Also, the strong winds will result in rough surf, and a high surf advisory is in effect for the west central Florida coast until 10 a.m. on Wednesday. Temperatures will drop quickly after sunset tonight and could reach freezing levels across inland portions of North Florida as early as 10 p.m. tonight. Sub-freezing conditions are possible as far south as southern Lake Okeechobee, with hard freeze conditions expected near and north of Ocala. Hard freeze warnings have been issued for all of North Florida and northern portions of central Florida, with freeze warnings in effect along the I-4 corridor southward towards Tampa Bay and Brevard County. Although temperatures may reach near or slightly below the freezing mark around Lake Okeechobee tonight, the durations will be fairly short and therefore not long enough for a freeze warning. However, lingering winds tonight could result in wind chill readings below the freezing point, and wind chill advisories are in effect for much of South Florida. Also, the light winds across North Florida could send wind chill values into the teens across portions of North Florida tonight. For drought conditions, the statewide Keach-Byram Drought Index average for the state of Florida is down to 525 on a scale of 0 to 800 due to recent rainfall from previous cold fronts. However, a cold and dry spell expected through Friday should result in slowly increasing KBDI values statewide this week. For the long term, developing La Niña conditions in the equatorial Pacific typically results in a drier pattern for the southeastern states.
With cold temperatures expected tonight and into tomorrow morning, residents are encouraged to use the 5 P's of cold weather safety. Protect people, plants, pipes, pets, and practice fire safety. When outdoors, avoid being outside for extended periods of time. Wear multiple layers of clothing, stay dry, and drink plenty of fluids, or eat high caloric foods. Indoors, be aware of the fire danger with candles, fireplaces, and space heaters. Keep flammable materials away from these heat sources and make sure carbon monoxide and smoke detectors are installed and working properly. Do not use cooking appliances as an indoor heat source. Cover or bring in all sensitive plants and pets. If planning to leave a pet outside, make sure there is an adequate shelter with blankets and plenty of food and water in plastic bowls. Do not place food or water in metal bowls. If a hard freeze warning is issued for your area, protect exposed pipes by covering with blankets and allow your indoor faucets to drip overnight. For more information, visit www.floridadisaster.org. That's all we have for today. This has been the Florida State Watch Office Daily Situation Report
for January 20th, 2009.
For further information and to learn more about how to get a plan, please visit www.floridadisaster.org.